Hello everyone.
Hi.
We are doing a house tour today. So a lot of you have asked about it. We've redone quite a few things in the house. We've redone our bedroom.
We've redone like every room in the house. I'm really excited about showing you this because we just finished my latest project is the kids' schoolroom. So just got it done and ready for the new school year. So I'm really excited about showing you the house and all of the projects that we've been working on.
First part of the house tour, always do the outside, because you know without the outside there's no inside. The garage, one of my favorite things. Look at that. Needs a repaint, but you know, houses always need something.
Okay, the outside needs a lot of work. So for the real house tour, we have not been working on the outside. Clearly, we need mulch in the flower beds. We want to repaint it.
I know, look, we even got shoes, so we need shoes.
The outside is rough, okay? But the inside right now looks much better.
That's because you're in charge of the inside, and I'm in charge of the outside.
Well, thank you. I take that as a compliment. Alright, first up, the kitchen.
This is where we do a lot of eating, obviously.
Yeah, so this, I think most of the houses in the neighborhood are like the same. But this used to have like a wall that went like across that like made the kitchen all more connected. Oh, the wall used to be like across here. And then I knocked that down so the kitchen is like more open and added an island. So it has more of an open floor plan. Ignore the children. The living room, where we spend most of our time. And then my desk, which also like, well, it used to be John's desk, but now I say it's my desk. It's both of our desks. The kids' toy area.
Let's see what the girls are doing. They are having the greatest time with these things. Oh my God. What are those, Allie? The stuff they find amusing. They have all these toys and they're playing with little magnets. Great.
Yeah. Here's the guest bathroom.
Nice.
Nothing that special.
Yep, it's a bathroom with
Just
a
a
shower.
And then the girls' bedroom, you guys saw this when we redid the bunk bed. And per your suggestion, I changed the names on the wall and actually made them fit and took their middle names off since it didn't fit before. But the girls have loved the new bed. It's been really great. I love having a bunk bed. Also, they do have a closet, but it's really messy. Okay, that's why I left the curtains closed, but if you want to see the closet,
there's half of it.
There's
Just
there's
open it.
We had no room for the dresser, and there's like out
There's
here. So
3 children's worth of clothes in that dresser.
Yeah.
With our suitcases,
and all of their diapers
PJs.
and pull-ups organized up top.
Yeah.
So, and their piggy banks, they love this. They each have their own like piggy bank. So whenever we like go to the store, they're like, "Hey, can we get money out and like buy something?" And then they'll give me like a quarter. "Hey, can we buy this $10 toy?" I'm like, "Okay, that's not how it works, but okay." Also, another messy part of the house is the linen closet.
Behind every closed door is a mess.
Yeah.
Surprise.
There's a reason why we leave this.
It's not that bad. It's actually pretty good.
Semi.
If I go in there, it's a mess.
And my favorite project so far, the schoolroom. This is the new schoolroom. We're waiting on the chairs to come in.
This is my favorite part. These pictures. So cute. I can't get past it. I love them every time I walk in. Ooh, this thing we have to hang still.
Yeah, this goes on the wall over there, but
And
we
we
haven't hung it yet.
2 chairs, but minor things.
The chairs are coming in. Also, I painted these with like the chalk paint, so it's pretty cool. My mom got me this map and also bought the chairs for us.
Yep. This is Lexi's spot. She's pretty excited. And this will be Allie's spot, so they can do their school.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm really excited about them starting. Wow, you ready?
Oh man, not yet.
Chaos. They are so crazy. All right, and again, you've seen our bedroom, but just to show you like how it is like in the floor plan. This is our room. Our closet.
Yes.
John did a great job on that. That's my favorite. We love the closet.
Notice
and
how
it's still organized.
I get 1/3 of the closet.
Several months in and it's still organized. We're really proud.
I work hard to keep my side organized.
Oh, whatever. I refolded your clothes and made it look nice.
Well, that doesn't mean I'm not working hard at it. This is our bathroom.
Okay, our bathroom, this is gonna be our next project, is to repaint it and like we want to replace some stuff.
Yeah, like this mirror takes up the whole wall.
Yeah, we like want to change this and maybe add like a shelf here and like a smaller mirror, but that's like a later project. Not something we're planning on doing today.
I kind of want to show the porch too.
Oh no, not the porch. The porch is so messy.
Everything's messy, who cares? It's not too bad.
The porch is so
It gets like blasted with dirt when they mow, so it's hard to keep it clean. Maybe if you have a suggestion, that'd be good.
Oh, I do. I have a suggestion.
Our garden is right over there.
I have a suggestion.
Let's go look at it.
Let's enclose the back porch.
Hey, what an idea!
What an idea!
That's only like 2 weeks of labor.
I want to enclose this and make it like a master girl's bedroom and a playroom.
That would be cool.
And then we can have a guest bedroom in the girls' room right now. But we can alter it.
Our kids are going outside. Look at this
We're so
garden.
proud of our garden.
Look at this. It's like more than I've ever grown in my life.
Look at our peppers.
Look, did you see our peppers in here?
See our peppers? They're growing.
Look at that. Not yet. They're almost done. Once they're done, we will.
And our squash is starting to like there's a lot of blossoms. You see like the flowers on them and stuff? That's what's gonna turn into like the squash. They're starting to bloom. No.
I can't believe how big this thing is. I've never planted squash or zucchini squash before, but it's like huge.
This is gonna be a flower garden. We're doing sunflowers and a bunch of different types of wildflowers. So we're planting those later today.
That's gonna be really pretty.
The girls are gonna love it.
I can't wait till we get grapes. I don't know when grapes come in, but that'll be nice. I wonder if we have any of these yellow. Yeah. Oh, they are coming in. They're starting. Look.
Oh,
right there.
Cute. Like, is this
so
one?
little.
This one's not yet.
No,
Like
this
the buds, but they're not like. Oh, wait, this one is. Look, it's like starting. It's green.
Ooh.
It's like starting.
That's gonna be so good.
Our tomatoes haven't yet. Like, I don't know. It kind of looks a little dead.
sad.
I don't know about the tomato plant.
I don't know. We'll see.
Girls, don't step on that. You might fall.
Okay, let's go back inside. It's super hot out here.
It is pretty hot out here. Anyway, that's our house tour. And yeah, thanks for watching. I know a lot of you requested this.